Guys, to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel. In today's episode, for those of you know, I've been having a lot of people on my DM telling me, sir, Ninja Soccer Ready, please, where is the code, where is the code? I always assume that most people don't even know what this game is all about. Most people don't know, especially when I say over one. Some people always think it's over 1.5. No, 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 no. Over one is different from over 1.5. Over one simply means that it's either they will produce more than one goal in a row, and if that one goal comes, your match will be settled. And if they play more than one goal, it's either they will void the match and fund back your money. That is the same thing applicable to over two. Over two is different from you playing over 2.5. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys, for the beginners who don't know how to bet on sport, and for those of you who don't know how to analyze match. It's very, very bad. For you to analyze match is very simple. That is why I'm also making this video for you that is watching. There is a newcomer, there is a novice on this platform. Mostly I normally use Sportive Bet. So if you know that you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Comment anything that you don't understand on sport. I will respond to all your comments and also share my video. So I don't want to make this video long. Let's just start what we came here for. Now, most people always find it hard to get prediction. Some people say, I don't know how to predict. Now, let me show you a simple tips on how for you to know how to predict, and for you to predict and get your winning. For you to predict and get winning, just come to matches. Like for instance, here are the matches for today. Yeah, the matches. Let me just highlight it so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. Like here is match for today, and this game is going to start by 11:30. That is in African time, but yeah, the Europe time is 23:30. So, and this match is between is in Uga's Sugada division. Now, how do we always predict match and the outcome? You click on the match. Now you look at the data of those matches. The statistics of those matches is what you will look at. Now for you to be winning matches, for you to have sure winning on your ticket, you have to look at the previous matches that these people have come across between themselves. That is the head to head. By so doing, just go to the head to head. Let me be showing you guys so that someone will not come and tell me how do you normally predict this game that don't normally come true. Now, mainly don't follow odds. Listen, don't follow odds. The bookies may want to deceive you by giving, they may even want to even give the winning team a big odd so that you will be scared of taking it, or you will be scared of staking on it. You will be assuming, this odd is too big, these people may lose, no, 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 no. And you find out that at the end of the day, the big team the odd that you were fearing later, defeats even the odd that you were rest assured that to come true for the match. So here is the game between Tangura. Sorry, I may not know how to pronounce this. Yeah, let me just highlight it. This is what I'm talking about. This match over here is what I'm talking about. So now looking at that, like I say, for you to be having your winning, you look at their data. Now you go to their head to head. Now mainly looking at the percentage and their league table. On the league table, this match is telling you that away team is at table 1. Away team is this red one. The left one is always away, while the green one is always home. Most people when they come here, they see green, they will just go and take carry since it's green, they will just take home in. No, 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 no. Now this thing is showing you that away team is in form and they are topping their table, they are topping league. They are they are in the first position in the league table. Why the away itself is showing you that this 14 means that away they are below, they are in table 14 in this league. So you look at these two people, you can see that the form is 80 versus 27. Most time away may want to away most time do defeat home, even despite this their form. But how will you know that match like this will come true, and what for you to predict on is very simple. Now you scroll down, you scroll down, you scroll down, look at their winning rate. Look at their winning rate. You notice that home has win just one time and away has win how many times? Three times. That is the first data that you need to look upon. You need to look upon first. Now, you also scroll down and scroll down to where you will find their head to head and their last 5 matches. Now, mainly looking at these matches, you see that their last 5 matches, away has really defeated them. Away has always defeat home. If you look very well, this is where I'm talking about. For those of you who don't understand, let me be highlighting it so that you will see. Here is what I'm talking about. You will notice that away has been beating home. Even despite when home is in their home, they are playing at home. Away will always beat them. Away has home only beat away once. That was in 2023. In 2023, 2-0. But if you look at their current match being this year, 2024, you notice that away in their last 2 matches, both home and away has always defeated them. Away that is topping the league, that is in the league table, when they play at home, they defeated just one time. And at away, when they play at away, they score them 3-1. At home, they score 1-0. So what is this match trying to tell you? It's trying to tell you that when these people defeated these people in their home, reaching their home, these people mount pressure to see how they will defeat them one in their home. Then when you see matches like this, for you to get your accurate prediction and also go to their new head-to-head, sorry I did not add this. So what you just need to do, just check their previous head-to-head. You notice that home has always been fumbling. You can see they are not in good form. It's either you win them or they will hold you tight draw. But if you look at away has always been producing more than one goal. More than one goal. So in this type of match, when you see the data analysis like this, you don't need to just what you just need to do, just go to the marketplace. Just go to the marketplace. Let me show you. Go to all. Now you have seen that this match away has always produced goal despite any kind of match that they play. If they lose, they will always try to produce goal. So in this kind of match, you don't need to go with away to win or you double chance away. There's every tendency that, like I tell you before, despite with all their form, home can still end up beating them. Are you getting me? So, and if you look at their odds here, you will notice that away odds here is very small and home odds here is very big. That is, home is saying 3.25 and away is saying 3.30. So, in this kind of match, for you to get your accurate prediction, you don't need to go by selecting home win or draw. I'll just give you 3 options. It's either you choose this match to be over 0.5, over 0.5. That this match, at the end of this match, there must be one or more goal in this match, and which is going to happen. There's no how this match will end, and either home will not score or away will not score. Away must surely score. If this prediction is not enough, you go by handicap. Sorry, 1xbet is 1xbet normally show almost all the handicap. You go by handicapping away with one ahead of home. With one ahead of home. That is the second option. For those of you who don't know how to predict, I'm just doing this video for you guys so that you understand how to predict and win game. So my third option for this match, is either away will score one goal. Don't choose away score 1.5. For you to be at the safer side, just take away to score one goal. You know the bookies just want to put 1.5 so that even the away play 1-0, they will make their profit. But other bookies do have like 1xbet. 1xbet will surely have are we 0.5, are we 1.5, are we over 1, stuff like that. So this third option for this kind of match, you predict it away to score one goal. So you see, so if you are into betting, like I normally do, I don't accumulate plenty odd. I just accumulate 2, 3 odd I stake. There is not how you will select odd like this. Like okay, let me just use one like this into 5 places that you will not get up to 3 or 4 odd. You stake high, and I assure you that this strategy will always fetch you more money. 7 days makes a week, but if you follow this strategy that I'm telling you, you'll be winning game. If not 7 days in a week, but you'll be winning 5 days in a week. Don't just accumulate a lot of odds. Just select 1 or 2, 3 to 4 games, analyze it like this, and stake. I assure you that you are going to get your winning. You're just that is I'm giving you assurance on that. You get me? So when you see a game that you like and you want to bet on it, please always check at their data. Look at their previous match that they have played. What is their scoring rate? Who is topping the league? Those are the data that you need to look at. Who is topping the league and who is scoring most and who is losing. When you check all this data, you will know the exact prediction that you need to give that match. If you study these 3 things that I've mentioned for you, I guarantee you that you will be winning sporting bet almost every day. So just follow these tips. In case you don't understand anything, just drop your comment. Just leave a comment. I will drop my WhatsApp number and I will be guiding you, coaching you on how to do it. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because all I do in this channel, I drop update like this for all my subscribers, and I also always drop my free prediction to all my subscribers almost every day. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and share this video so that others will learn how to predict their own sport. Will learn how to predict their own games and win. They will not be depending on when Adeleke will post prediction. If Adeleke don't post, today I will not play game. No, you have to predict on your own and also win. So thank you guys. See you in my next video.